Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to stream in Discord application on computer. To stream you need to have access to a voice channel on any server or create your own server, and voice channel will be added automatically and later you can stream in this channel. But first let's go to settings and select our microphone. So scroll down in settings, go to voice and video. Now select your microphone in input device drop down. Over here select output device, speakers or headphones or something else you connect it to your computer, and also select input mode. If you select voice activity, your voice will be detected automatically. In this case you can define sensitivity to detect like this, or automatically determine input sensitivity, or you can switch to push to talk. In this case you will need to press keyboard shortcut to enable voice broadcasting, and you can set push to talk release delay up to 2 seconds. Once you're done with these settings you can close this window and start streaming. To start, just click on the voice channel. You will be connected automatically. Now you are connected to the voice channel, and here you have some control buttons. So you can turn on the camera, for example. Hi guys, it's me, I'm not a robot. Turn off camera. You can share your screen like this. So select one of applications on your computer or share entire screen like this. Adjust your settings, set the stream quality, better text readability or smoother video, select resolution, but to upgrade resolution you need to subscribe to Nitro. Frame rate is available with Nitro as well, so just click on go live and you will stream your screen. Once again you can stream screen and camera at the same time, so enable both if you need so. Also you can stream games. To stream games, go to user settings once again, and this time find game overlay and enable game overlay for the game you wish to stream. Click escape. To end your stream, just click on disconnect over here. Also you can see you have some settings here. You can mute your microphone. You can click on more options and check these settings: grid view, show your own camera, show non-video participants, and so on. So once you're done streaming, just disconnect from the voice channel and your stream is over. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. If yes, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.